Did you know that it was possible for a condominium, yes, an entire building, to not have insurance during hurricane season? Well, we found out the hard way. Our buyer got his offer accepted to a condo in South Beach, and I posted to our stories, hey, we got our offer accepted. And a fellow realtor DMs me and asks, hey, any chance your buyer is financing? And I said, yes, why do you ask? And she responds, well, because I'm under contract with the buyer that is financing, and I just found out that the building doesn't have insurance. My mind exploded. I didn't think this was possible. So let me fill you in on how we got here in the first place. Basically, the insurer told the condominium, hey, if you guys want to renew your policy, you have to replace the roof. Condo said, all right, we'll get right to it. So they signed that contract with the roofer. They give him the payment. They submit the permit application. But the permit application process took so long that the insurance policy finished. And the insurer said, sorry guys, we said you had to have the roof done in order for us to renew. So now the building has two options here. You can either one, say, hey, we're not going to have any coverage, or number two, you can get a very expensive policy that covers you during this time period that you're getting the roof replaced. The property manager has a meeting, which I thought was extremely intelligent, not just with the board members, but with all unit owners were invited to make this decision. At the end of the meeting, they all decided to not have insurance coverage during hurricane season. Now, when you're financing, the bank will not allow you to close on this property if they do not have insurance. It's too much of a liability, way too big of a risk. Impossible. I contact the lender for this transaction, our good friend Christina, and she says, I'm going to contact my insurance agent friend and I'll get back to you. I think I know a way to fix this. So it turns out that if you can send the insurer proof that you have a contract with a roofer, you've issued payment, you have an open permit, and that the work has begun, which coincidentally had just begun, then they will agree to cover you while the work is ongoing. Now the question is, can we convince the property manager to do us this huge favor? We all got together, got all the emails to all the right people, and started sending emails. Hey, please, can you do this? Please, can you do this? Following up, please, can you do this? And believe it or not, we were able to convince the property manager to have their insurance agent reach out to the insurer, send all of this proof, and the insurer responded, providing insurance coverage for the condominium. Because of this amazing team of extremely intelligent women, we were able to close on this transaction, and now our client is a homeowner in South Beach.